celebrating 50 years of science and nature with Justine. The month of May is finally upon us, and this means this is the month where Justine is officially turning 50 years old. Let's get into this unboxing.